Hi, I'm Andy Zain, managing partner of Kejora Ventures. We are a venture fund based in Jakarta, Indonesia, but we do investment mostly in Southeast Asia.
My name is Aji Sulaeman, and I run the daily operations of the Indonesia Fintech Association, or Fintech ID, as the executive director for public policy.
Hi, my name is Adrian. I'm co-founder and CEO of Investree. We are Indonesia's leading peer-to-peer lending, focusing on SMEs.
It is a new industry, so everybody wants to learn. Regulators, market players, the community. So everyone wants to learn. So there's a great room of opportunities for sharing knowledge and exchanging information.
I was a banker for almost 20 years, and I left banking because I saw the opportunity to start my own fintech startup, especially in the lending space, where we see a lot of opportunities, a lot of gaps that are still unmet by the Indonesian banks. So I think the market is there, bringing in technology. Now we're at the stage where we want to further scale the business.
We have a big population. We have 280 million people over there, so it's a big market. So when we put investment, we see is that if you are not involving Indonesia as one of your key market, then you miss out a big chunk of the opportunity.
I think in terms of the fintech ecosystem in Australia has started earlier compared to Indonesia. So I think in terms of the way the ecosystem has developed is more advanced to a certain extent. I think Indonesia can learn a lot in developing the fintech ecosystem.
I think it's more about how we can get more Australian entrepreneurs to understand about the opportunity of Indonesia market, and also to see beyond what you heard about the issue in the country, but look at what is ahead of us, what is really interesting in the market.
Of course, we need to engage experts who can support us, academics, policymakers, researchers, those who have done empirical studies, those who are experienced overseas. So we also invited a lot of international experts from Australia, from Singapore, from Malaysia, from China to come to Indonesia, and then to learn, to share the experience to the regulators, so regulators can be better understand what's going on outside.
We see a lot of technologies that are quite relevant to improve business processes to some of the fintech companies in Indonesia. So I think that's another angle for potential collaboration.
I think we are working on that, how to become bridge between the two countries, and there's a lot of activities happening from the private sector, from the government, from the association, and we see a lot of encouraging news.
Indonesia is the market. If Australian fintech companies are looking to expand their market, then obviously Indonesia, being the largest economy in Southeast Asia, is definitely a prime market. And obviously with the Fintech Association of Indonesia, we can certainly open doors. We can certainly help connect Australian fintechs to the right people, and from there we can do a lot of partnerships.
I think by understanding the potential, we hope to see more and more Australian entrepreneurs to come in and do things together.